hope you're having a really good day so far. Just a quick rundown of some phonics and maths ideas for your home learning session today. So the first thing that we're going to do is, again, go through our 3 sounds of the week. So you ready? Fabulous. A, super, and the last one is and v. Fabulous. Okay, give it another mix here. You ready? I think it went back in the same order. Oh well. A would help if I actually showed you, wouldn't it? And the last one is and v. Fabulous, my lovelies. Okay, now for the next bit, we do need an adult's help. Can you find a grown-up and ask them to write out this sentence? If it's not clear for any reason, it's on the document that hopefully was sent out to you, but if not, is in the link on Monday's video. So if you could write out that sentence, and what I need you to do is 3 things. 1, to see if you can find the tricky words and the digraphs. 2, to have a go at reading this sentence. Now, the bottom line is really the most challenging line. And with this one, just like we were talking about the other day, if you cover up the first half of the word and then cover up the second half and then put them together, that's really helpful. And this one actually is a little bit of a tricky word. We haven't learned all of the sounds for that one yet, but you might know it from the context, and if not, a grown-up will be able to help you. Everything else should be absolutely fine for you to read. So see if you can maybe put in the dots and dashes, spot the tricky words and see if you can read it. And the third thing is to see if you can draw a picture of what the sentence says. Okay, right, and the last bit for phonics is to go to that book that you've been looking at for the last couple of last couple of days even, and see if you can find a partner. You read one of the pages and they read the other page. Now on to the maths, and we are going to need today a ruler. If you don't have a ruler, then a measuring tape would be absolutely fine. For some reason, I don't have a normal size ruler. All I've got is this massive ruler, and it's called a meter stick, because this has got 100 centimetres on. That is the same as 1 metre. But on your ruler, maybe you can have a look and see, because what do I mean by centimetres? How big is that? And centimetre is the same as km, which sometimes you might see. So on your measurement, see if you can put the km at the end so that I know that you're measuring in centimetres. So this is the end of the ruler. This is where number 1 is. Oh, I've got my giant ruler, but hopefully you have a normal one. So can I start my measuring just anywhere? Can I start up there? Is that okay if I was going to measure my face? No, so what we've got to make sure is the number 1 on the ruler goes to the top of what you're trying to measure. So here I'm going to measure my face. So the end of the ruler has to be at the start of my face. And then I can look at the bottom here and see that my face is, can you see? Oh, it seems to have moved a bit now. Right. Oh no, here we go. My face is a bit bumpy to measure, to be honest. My face is 20. But then someone might ask you, well, 20 what? 20 bananas, 20 bricks. So that's why it's really important to put the k and the so that we know you meant 20 centimetres. So once you've lined up the ruler, make sure that it starts where you want your measuring to start. Find the number at the bottom. And if you have some post-it notes, then what would be great is if you could write the answer to how tall it was and label things. So for example, my face was 20 centimetres. So 20, a 2 and a 0. And we're going to do centimetres, which is a k and a m. And then we can label my face. So see how many things around your house that you can measure. Is it going to stay? Oh, I don't think so. Have a lovely day, won't you, everyone? Fingers crossed for some sunshine, and I will be back same time tomorrow morning. Bye.